Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to paint my front door. You know, painting the color of your door can change the whole look of your house. Give yourself some nice curb appeal. There are a few steps involved in doing this. Let me show you how. First, I prep the area with a drop cloth and some sawhorses. Now it's time to take the door off. If you're painting your door when it's below 60 degrees, you might want to bring it inside and paint it. Otherwise, paint it outside on a nice sunny day. To remove the pin hinges, I like to use a screwdriver and a punch with a hammer as well. Because it's colder, I'm going to paint my door inside. You can cover this with plastic or a tarp. I happen to have this foam insulation laying around. I'm going to use that. I'm going to start by removing the hardware. Next, I'm going to prep the door by sanding it. We want to rough up the paint a little bit for it to adhere to the surface. Use like a 120 grit sandpaper. If you have any dings or scratches, you can fill that with an all-purpose plastic filler. Then wipe the surface down with a damp cloth. Now it's time to tape it off. Now it's time to paint. Whether you have a steel door, wood door, or fiberglass, it's a good idea to use a primer. And you want to tint the primer as closest to the color that you're going to use on the top coat. A go-to for many homeowners is acrylic latex exterior paint for their door. It goes on nice and easy cleanup. Now it's time to put on the top coat on this door. I'm using an exterior acrylic latex, good for all the doors, wood, steel, fiberglass, and it cleans up nice. If you're thinking of using an oil base, be careful about that. That may mess with the integrity of the fiberglass. Now the paint's dry. I'm going to pull the tape up, reinstall the hardware, and then reinstall the door. There. Wow, I like the way this looks. Pretty easy. You can do this. For more painting tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.